Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So a lot of you guys have been asking me for an updated everyday makeup tutorial. So I decided to go ahead and do one for you all. So this look is pretty easy. This is my makeup every day. It may be a lot to some people, but hey, this is how I like to do my makeup. I hope you all enjoy this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Follow Casino Lashes, my lash company, at Casino Lashes on Instagram. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video, you guys. Makeup tutorial. So I do my makeup the same way no matter where I go. And I have my mirror right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. So I have a sponge here. I wet the sponge, just wring it under the sink, squeeze it under the sink, let the water run into it again, squeeze it under the sink, and bam. I don't wring it out in a towel anymore. I used to, but I don't anymore. So I'm going to be priming my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer. So a lot of people use the Poreless. I have that one too, but my skin is dry, so I like to use this one. I just got into using this one and it works amazing. I want to try all of their primers. They have a lot of them. My mirror is a little dirty. Maybe I should get that out of the camera. And next, I go ahead and put on my foundation. So the foundation I am wearing right now, I've been wearing for a while. It's the Makeup Revolution foundation in the shade, what shade is this? F13. So I recently got into this foundation. I realized the foundation I had been wearing was a little too dark for me, but I really like this foundation and it's great for my skin. I never had a foundation like this to where it's like this. So I just put some lines on my face over here. Then I put some lines on my face over here. Okay. So now I'm gonna blend this in with my sponge. See, this matches me well. I used to wear the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, but it was actually a little too orange for me, the color I had been using. So this color is just perfect. I think I'm more neutral than warm or cool. But yeah, I really like this one more. So now that is blended in, I'm going to go ahead and highlight under my eyes. I'll show you all where. So under my eyes, my forehead, under my nose, my chin, and under my cheekbones. So this is what I've been doing. And this is the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade J13. I really love this concealer. I love it, I love it, I love it. I know a lot of people are like, you didn't give them a good review, because I reviewed their foundation and concealer when it first came out, but I didn't really like the foundation that much, but this concealer is amazing. Highlighting under your cheekbones just really, it's the key. It's the key, you guys. You all are gonna see my cheekbones are gonna be crazy in a second. Just watch. So now I'm gonna blend this in with the same sponge. So my makeup routine really takes me only probably almost 20 minutes, a little less than 20 minutes though, but yeah. Really never do eyeshadow because I'm not that good. Unless I'm going out, I try to have I love a smoky eye when I go out or something. So that's what I do, but I rarely wear eyeshadow because I'm not good at it. If I knew how to do it, I would do it. So yeah, I look a little crazy right now, but that's okay. When I put on those lashes, it's gonna be over with, you guys. It's over. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye and stuff with the Sacha Buttercup powder. So this is the most expensive thing I use. This is the only expensive thing I use. It's $21, which is kind of expensive to me, but I think it's worth it. It's something I will not go cheap on. I really love this stuff. It's yellow, which I really love, a nice yellow under eye. You just pour some into the top, and I use a cosmetic wedge for this because these actually put on more product, which I really love for my under eye and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and put this under my eye. So something I do, so I don't contour my nose or anything like that, but I do put this powder right here on my nose. And then I'm gonna put it on the other side too. So yeah, and I also do a little goatee or whatever around my mouth. And I'm gonna highlight under my cheekbone. So this is the key right here. This is it. So my cheekbone is right here. This is where I'm gonna put it. Bam. Okay. So you see my nose already looks a little something. I don't know. So while I'm letting this bake, this is the time I do my eyes. So this is my everyday look. This is basically what I do for this is always how I look. So I just put on some black eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild black eyeliner. It's only $1 at like Walmart and stuff. So I just put this on. So I just apply a line on my eye, and that's only so my lash can blend in case it ever comes up or something. And I use black lash glue just so my lash can blend in with that black line on my eye. Okay, and now I'm going to put on mascara. So this is that little Great Lash mascara. It's only what, like $2 at Dollar General and stuff, but this is some bomb mascara to me. So I just put a little bit on. This is just in case any powder got on my real lashes. So they blend in. And the lashes I will be using today, of course, are from my lash company, Casino Lashes. Make sure to check us out, Casino Lashes, on Instagram, www.casinolashes.com. And these are our Let It Ride lashes. So bam, I've been wearing them for about a week now. And I'm going to go ahead and put them on. These are my everyday lashes. So we also have some natural lashes in case you want a more natural look, but this is what I like. Okay. So yeah, you're not gonna put your lash on right away. You want it to get tacky. And bam. See? Now I look like myself already. Like, you really see the difference some lashes make, child. You really see it. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the other one. I also have a discount code for everybody that watches my YouTube videos. So the discount code is just YouTube. Get 10% off. Just use YouTube at checkout for 10% off your entire order. So yeah. So now, since I took time doing that, it's like about time for me to go ahead and dust this powder off. So these makeup brushes are Refrain brushes on Amazon. I'll tag them in the description box. They're only like maybe $11 or $12 for 15 brushes, and it has like a lot of nice eyeshadow brushes and everything. But I'm going to go ahead and dust all this off. Okay, so now I take my James Charles palettes. Yes, I still use this, you guys. So this is the mini one. I have the big one too, but the mini one is always close to me. So I just take this palette, and this is another brush from that Refrain brush set I was just telling you all about. And I take these two colors. These two, you can kind of see I've been using them. I use those two colors, I mix them, and I contour with them. So I'm going to kind of just swipe it to the middle of both of these and put these on my contour. So make like a 3 and a backwards 3 or whatever, or E on both sides of my face. So like this. So yeah, you see how intense that is right now. I'm gonna blend it in more. Kind of do like a circular motion to where it looks better. Then right. I love that this has like a redness to it to where it's kind of like blush, and it's also a contour color. So I think that's because I mixed those two, but yeah, I really like that about these two. And if those colors don't work for you, then also Black Radiance has this amazing powder contour palette that I love, that I think would be great too. I've gotten really faster at this. Wow. So I can see right now, I've only been recording for 14 minutes. I've gotten really fast and I'm just about done, you guys. This is basically it. But now I'm going to go ahead and take my Milani highlighter. So you can get this from Walgreens. It's the Sun Glow highlighter. I've had this for a while, but it basically never runs out. So I usually take my finger, I put a little bit on my nose, and I don't want it to look like I just put a dot on my nose, which is exactly what I did. So I kind of just rub it around a little bit to kind of blend it. And then I put a like line in between my eyes. So like that. So you can see it like that when I bend down and like that. So what I do, a lot of people ask me about my lipstick and stuff, like how do I do my lips like that? So this is the Wet n Wild brown eyeliner. So it's like the same kind as that black one. This is just in like Serena brown. It's only $1. So I just line my lips. Okay. And then I go in with like a chapstick and kind of just dot this on my mouth to kind of get the moisture going on my lips. And then I rub my lips together. And then I take out the middle so it looks very ombre. I usually just really take out the middle of my bottom lip, really. I'm pretty much focused on my bottom lip more. And if I feel like the line is kind of going, because really I want people to know like, ooh, she lined her lips. To where I kind of redraw the bottom line a little bit. Like that. And then I take my clear lip gloss, that little $1 lip gloss from the Beauty Supply, and I just put this on my bottom lip. I don't rub my lips together, I just put it on the bottom. Contour. So if I want to add a little more under eye, I go in with the flour powder from Beauty Bakery. This is not necessary at all. Most days I actually forget to do this. And this is from what is that brand that's always in Walmart that sells brushes? Real Techniques. Real Techniques. This is a Real Techniques brush. And then I just tap off a lot and go in under my eye some more. And that's it. That's all I do with that. So now I'm going to add the bottom mascara, which you don't need. This is like a cute look too. This is really cute. But I like bottom mascara. I don't know why. I just love lower lashes. I love lower lashes. So I just go in. So yeah, you don't need it. So that's before, this is after. Now I'm just going to spray. I'm basically done now, you guys. This is a little Becca primer. I got this from Marshall's actually. So I use, I'm not primer, but it's actually a prime and set mist. So whatever you want. But yeah, that's that. That's basically it for this look. This is what I do, you guys. This is what I do. So I'm going to finish my hair and I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so this is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Yeah, kind of tried to do my hair a little bit, but I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Follow my lash company at Casino Lashes, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.